there's something behind this scarf that's made completely out of food. Can you guys guess what it is? Yell out the answer. Not a watermelon. Grapes, not grapes. It's me! Ta-da! That's right. I'm made completely out of food, and so are each and every one of you. That's because we are made directly from the foods that we eat. So, to be the best that you can be, you have a choice. You can treat your body like it's a shiny red sports car, ooh, and feed it clean, burning primo fuel for long-lasting energy. Or you can treat your body like it's some junky car and feed it junk food sludge, which only clogs up the works and pollutes the air.